Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me for today's randomly generated Lovecraftian phrase, created here through the Lovecraft engine. If you'd like to have a go at it and make your own randomly generated Lovecraftian phrase, look up the Lovecraft engine in your favorite search engine like DuckDuckGo or Ecosia. Now, let's push the button together and find out our phrase for today. Today's phrase is the shrieking, gluttonous elastic. Thank you. Today's phrase was brought to you by the Black Dog Chronicles on YouTube. Come along and have a listen. Our latest story is The Sea Raiders by H.G. Wells. I look forward to seeing you there. Until tomorrow, but don't forget, look out for the shadows.